Hello people, in this lecture I will show you how to enable discount codes in Shopify. Hello people, in this lecture we will look at bulk discounts, the application for discount codes in Shopify. So I'm gonna search here for apps and I'm gonna enter here bulk discounts. Okay, I will hit enter. And right over here you see this bulk discounts plugin. This one is the best in my opinion, not the other ones. And I'm gonna click on it. So if you want to watch the video, you can watch the video, or if you want to continue, you can continue. And I'm going to click on Add App. And I will wait. And wait. And right over here, it asks for access. I'm going to install the app. Okay, it's loading. Okay, right over here on the blue button I will click on new discount set, and right over here you can give it a name. For example, summer sale or something else. Or, let me think. Sale. Okay, right over here you can create your discount code. And right over there, your discount. How many goes off on the product. Right over there you enter how many discount codes you have. You can select here collections and products for your discounts. You will see it only at checkout. And right over here you can select the customers do you wanna send the discount to, or you can set the discount to everyone. So I'm going to save this and it will be added to the product. You can also email your subscribers and then they will revive the email with the discount code. So that's really useful. It's creating right now the discount codes for us. So we must wait. Okay, we're gonna wait until it's loaded. But I want to thank you for watching my course. I hope you like it, and I'll see you on my next lecture. So bye.